Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can view the non-working days for your team and workspace on Wrike. So let us guide you through. So if you'd like to learn this information, guys, you will need to log into your Wrike account, navigate to your workspace, and here click into your profile icon in the top left for your account. Here in your settings, navigate to personal settings and then click into work schedule. Here scroll all the way down and choose the year. So we got 2026 this year. And you will see the list of working days for the given calendar or year, as well as non-working days here, with the exception days, which is usually vacation, for example, for your team. So if you, for example, added, let me add these 2 days here as vacation, double click into it, select vacation, duration full day, and also for August 11th. And you will see that these 2 vacation days have been added to this list, and also to the list of non-working days, and vice versa, they have been removed from the list of working days for your workspace. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.